Welcome to Style in Motion. Fashion shows are not just platforms to showcase the latest collections from designers. They also serve as powerful tools for education. Every piece displayed carries a deeper meaning, not just in terms of aesthetics but also in conveying social, cultural, and environmental messages. Many designers now use fashion shows as a medium to educate the public about the importance of sustainability in the fashion industry. Garments made from natural or recycled materials often take center stage, demonstrating how fashion can contribute to environmental preservation. This message is highly relevant in today's world, where awareness of environmental issues is increasing. On the other hand, fashion shows also celebrate cultural diversity. Various collections embrace traditional themes from different regions, presenting the richness of global cultural heritage through clothing. This teaches us to appreciate diverse cultures and recognize how the art of fashion can serve as a bridge between nations. Beyond appearances, fashion shows highlight the importance of inclusivity. Today, many fashion events provide a platform for people of different body types, ages, and backgrounds to walk the runway. This educates us that beauty is not confined to a single standard but can be found in various forms and expressions. Every element of a fashion show is meticulously designed. The music often reflects the theme of the collection, the lighting creates the desired ambience, and the stage design supports the message being conveyed. All of this teaches us that art is the result of hard work, collaboration, and a strong vision. Through fashion shows, we are not only invited to admire the beauty of the clothing but also to reflect on the important messages conveyed by the designers. It is an opportunity to learn, to be inspired, and to understand that fashion is more than just style. Fashion is art that can influence the way we see the world. Let us continue to support creative works that bring positive messages and help build a better world through art and fashion.